What's up, YouTube? This is VJ from TechImaginist, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus unboxing. So here we have the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It came along with the Samsung Galaxy earbuds as part of the pre-order package. We'll be talking more about it in a while. This is the 128 gigabit model and the prism black color. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I clearly need to work on my knife skills. Let's open it up. This is the S10 Plus itself. Let's set that aside and see what else comes in the box. This is the standard power brick, adaptive fast charging, nothing to write home about. There is a USB Type-C to Type-A connector for connecting a flash drive perhaps. And then the standard 3.5mm headset from AKG, the standard with Samsung these days. Then the USB Type-C cable itself for the charger. Samsung doesn't seem to have included the case this time around. There it is. The standard hard plastic. It's a nice gesture from Samsung. The quick start guide, more paperwork, and yeah, here's the SIM ejector tool. Wow, look at this. It feels beautiful in the hand. There's some subtle changes. The design is a bit more, what you can say, angular. It's slimmer than last year's S9 Plus with thinner bezels. Let's go ahead and take off the plastic. Let's take a quick look at the specifications. 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED screen, Exynos 9820, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 depending on the market, 8GB of RAM for the 128 and 512GB storage, 12GB of RAM for the 1TB model. The phone has booted up and the screen is absolutely gorgeous. Nothing but the best screen from Samsung's flagship. Considering the aesthetics of the phone, the frame is made up of aluminum with subtle curves towards the edges. The back of the phone is covered in glass with a triple camera setup. We'll be talking more about this in my detailed video. Up on the left is a volume rocker, the Bixby button that nobody asked for. There's the power button on the right side and the SIM card tray at the top left. There is a mic at the bottom for handling calls and a noise cancelling mic for calls and video on the top. The selfie camera comes with a cutout on the screen which really blends into the background wallpaper and the notification panel. It doesn't intrude much and you quickly get used to it. Samsung has also embraced the cutout for the camera, a subtle light animation that circles the cutout when the camera is turned on. The Samsung Galaxy Buds was a nice addition to the pre-order package. Let me know if you want me to review it in the comments down below. So there you have it. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Come hang out with me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at TechImaginist. Talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.